In this video, I will show you how to easily change contact picture on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Phone app on your iPhone. Now go to the contact section from the bottom bar. Now select the contact whose picture you want to change. For the purpose of this video, I will select Test Friend 1. Next, tap on Edit button located at the top right side. Now on the screen, tap Add Photo. At the bottom, you will get 4 options. You can either use camera and you can take a picture that you can set for this contact. You can choose the picture from the image gallery. You can use Memoji or Monogram as a contact picture on your iPhone. Let's tap on Photos. So this will open your image gallery. Now select the image that you want to set as the contact picture. Now once you select the image, you can pinch on the image to crop or you can change the size. You can move around to change the position. You can even add filters by swiping to the left. At the bottom you can see there are 4 filters available: natural, black and white, dual tone and color wash. You can select the one as per your needs, and once done, just tap on Done button at the top right side. Next, you will get a preview poster. If you are okay with the contact picture, then just tap on Continue. Here you can crop the image and you can fit perfectly in the center of the circle. Once you are okay with the changes, just tap Choose. Here you can apply the effects as per your needs, and once done, tap Done. Tap Continue and then tap on Done. So that is how you can change contact picture on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.